jubilate obia wo eye NDC bia ni je sronko de rewro bia mu a Empress Gifty ono a say Empress no gazette edantintan so nti obia wonim say ye from Empress a wonim say won gazette no misro file ni na din no waje abono bodi abodu kwankasa NDC for evini Empress Gifty so wono so kwan so nkoso a wo fa so wo gi nani no eye ahomka because wo say eye ni krum eye hopes na do wa pregie enim gwase do so popa any dirty works eye NPP for ede ni kran na fe e kire no wo mo dan na chima na ye nsem a na brabo aye threat na ne nkwampo no na wo mo hwa die friends no na obo ejo nyankopon pa se John Dramani Mahama ebe san boy aba ekonwa no so Empress so hwe de wo no so what did jubilate my hwemra
ya chini kuna atum se uradi won sanchire ne na tumi ye biribia eya wo dia wo ka na bemu dia wo hye na china uradi me ma hopes na adwuma wa ye nye kwa uradi me nku na nimu ase e ma na tamfo nya no and God stepped in and some people omujina in the gap. Honorable Alanchamatene ne yiri china mu lawyers akasie adechi nya homachi no mo frem so mo beji mi kunu atare. Let me tell you something. And the Lord spoke to me. Go and look for white dress for your husband. Na me call far white up and down you know me se mo de mo pada ye yi mi kunu no mo hwa atare mi kunu say and na me de atare ne beto picture yi so na me start to say me boy watch me na me say urade mama san hwe mi kunu wate menim gwase ni nyanshira ma no urade ngu ne nimu ase na ngu hopes ni nimu ase one friend is so beku na nimu ase hey watch me mo hwe de nya me beye me all menim gwase enka me do. Those who laugh at hopes, are you still laughing? Those who insulted him, are you still insulting him? Those who called him hopeless, are you still gonna call him hopeless? Those who said say he's good on your upia. Hopsy on your bia. Say hopsy ni abeba ko pa ne chow. Ena ye baby ni dia enye ka ye lusu. Hey! Power ewo yanum. Say hopsy ni abeba ko fa ne dia. And then we couldn't catch them and say, baby, relax. God will do his own thing. Ono no ye etu. E si hene nyankopo. Oto hene si hene. Not the full flashing. Eh, wa beto some gospel musician sister. Bra, e come di wa kwa. E pa cho mi kunye politician. Uchana dia meka ono mpa. Free ha na ko di pa kro na. Ono obema we no dia wo hwehwe no. Aha de ene na ya politics. Me could a politician. Won't see us here. The whole gospel musician. Me pen me could be a politician. It's me. I am the madam. You me pay no so na me come myself. Who name the amafe? Do you know what I have been through? I can't wait be just as some gospel musician. I am not your regular gospel musician. You did not call me. God called me. Nyame wan frame me amawo. It is a wusha will learn in a minima. Free mo na me come myself. Let me talk to people who are ready to listen. Share. I go see for Franco. Oh, I am talking to your mind. Yes. We shall not call me and Kasa. You know what this man has gone through? Because just social media. Google. You go hopes na do yedina. Or you said to man in a man crofo. And they were ungrateful to him. You know what he has gone through. Papa, we are when kuno hono. Now your boss said, Papa, we are when kuno hono. Nyami will be Papa man. Leave this man and leave my family alone. You don't know what we've been through. Leave us alone. Hey, baby. Mwah. Baby, your wife, I love you. Mwah. You are my baby. Oh, Jesus, you don't know. Don't they be a make social media? No, be say, maybe you be for me a bad luck. Hey, ya ka wo ba was watching a be me chira. Me unya me seso da. Ya ka wo ba, what time you kunechi no matter what. Say be wo say be ni ho, what time you kunechi unya me seso da. am a fighter. I am a woman of substance. And this man here has been my strength. My husband here has been my strength. Why am I pillar? Why am I? Hey! I told the Bina Michelle, na Misua. Now about some mama, a baby ye watching. Mama, a baby ye. Mama, would you be ye? Would you winning? I shall no bits or no dimmy kunatem. Or ba mi kun in dada. Mi kun in dada. Near she shed money dimmy kun. Near their sharper peg. Me yo ba me yan sa four. Me yo ba. Me tin near massy. No me tin the pamro yasia. Come in shows our way come to him. But this man here, I get off here. Mushiana monana se mame. He has been everything that a woman needs and has suffered. This man has gone through humiliation. This man, we are careful be a bra. This man, he has suffered. But I know baby I was sorry I know send you cry. Was send you cry no sorry no go. Why do say mama? Me mama be mu buddha. Me say I support you. Every woman needs a supportive husband. Every man needs a supportive wife. Me na me catch up. Hey Yadwa. Hey. What bread? Baby, what bread? I suffer a solitary amikun. I suffer a fan for so a money tamikun. This that this man has gone through, down or better than or better answer. You guys will cry for him. Hobson, you made a check Ghana. Hobson, you'll be to me, no was say papa way. Only when young four way say, no be a son, so you was here. Hey! Obi to me say no actual hopeless. You call this man hopeless? He hopeless no or the aye ejuma or the aye ejuma no. Why ye ejuma no? Or shemobo where deliver or shemobo where deliver or shemobo or deliver or shemobo hey where deliver where deliver DHL. Hey hey hey, Ochai. You are the mommy. I mean that papa we ask you. God bless you. Hosing ya via doye, Yami won shra. Yami shra ya would won sape kepia. Minyango when you can see. I did be a washing years, CP, I did be a free one sap. A year will fame, a mania will fame. Atitia will fame. A mania. I was saying, me couldn't too free, me couldn't tifie, because he has a shadow. A conform monetano. Or a gun in you. And this man has fought. Wako. God bless you. God bless you for listening to me. Thank you for listening to me. Nyankupo Israel. Agaga Nyankupo Israel. Ate wo mo kasa me ye bad luck no. Enne, on be kasa Empress ye Israel. Omo kasa me buy ya je wadwuma free wo nsam. Me buy ya wa bre. Me buy wudu nse so bibia mu na asai. Me pa chi o na last way wudu nse so mu asai. Hey! Yami Israel wati.
I better fee ampa engrofo keka say woda adepa ho etwentua